Executive workstation consists of a personal computer or a keyboard and monitor linked to a mainframe. It has the ability to draw upon a number of computerized tools. Because of the diversity of the executive duties, the workstation needs capabilities for word processing, spreadsheet analysis, and database management. Integrated programs are software programs that include all three of these main applications in one common form. They share similar key combinations to initiate commands for manipulating data or formatting reports. Integrated software is largely believed to be only office software, but that is not the case. Industrial management software and databases fall into the category of integrated software, where the output from various programs are closely related and can be embedded into each other with similar environments. Computing has been revolutionized using integrated software due to the fact that software is interconnected with little or no chance of information error because files can be imported with no need for conversion and no clash of formats. Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Office, or Star Office are some examples of integrated software where the output of programs such as a spreadsheet or a graphics program can be shared amongst applications. Some executive workstations, of course, add to these core applications other of the software programs that have been discussed. Depending on the manager's area of responsibility, his or her workstation could be equipped with desktop publishing or graphics generating programs. Executives can use their workstations not only to carry out these important functions, but also to plan their days. Scheduling or calendaring programs allow managers to query the computer about their schedules and plan conferences accordingly. In a shared system, such as a network or multi-user system, the computer system can even scan the calendars of a number of people to determine the best meeting time for all individuals involved. Another software tool that can aid the executive is a newer development called the Personal Information Manager. A personal information manager is a software application that uses tools to manage contacts, calendars, tasks, appointments, and other personal data. PIM tools vary according to user need and product cost. PIM software is a very general term and may include any of the following features: address books, lists, significant dates, RSS feeds, reminders and alerts, notes, email, instant messaging, and fax communication, voicemail, project management. It used to be that synchronization was implemented as a point in time update between computers and devices. As more software migrates to the cloud, a PIM that syncs between multiple types of devices is standard. Most users would probably never use the PIM term. For example, a user might know all his contacts and calendar information is with Google Apps, but he would necessarily not refer it as his PIM. Some executives are still hindered by the fear of new technology. Many who start out feeling uneasy about their new machine, however, soon learn that the equipment can liberate them by performing boring and repetitive tasks quickly, as well as by significantly helping them do their jobs through the provision of easy and rapid access to vital information. Now let's talk about computers and the barriers to communication. The barriers caused by systems. Compatibility with existing systems must be analyzed before purchasing computer hardware or software. Different computers are engineered differently. Some have important core structures that are not available to other computers. This is called system incompatibility, which is a barrier to communication between computers. Large companies resolve these barriers by creating a department that focuses on the organization's computer systems. For example, this is called the Information Technology Department. The staff of this department has the expertise to give advice with regards sharing data through different networks or computers within the organization. Aside from the inherent barrier of the variability of computer systems, another barrier is the manner of using of these computers. Computers base their functions through algorithms and logic. Unstructured use of the computers would definitely delay our performance to manage these machines. For example, plugging the power cord of the computer without properly turning it off could result in loss of data or to malfunction of the machine. Moreover, closing the Microsoft Word application without hitting Control plus S would result in loss of data, energy, and patience. Computers are complex, but if we just understand the basics of it and slowly learn the complicated functions, we would be more confident to hurdle this barrier. The following are barriers we commonly encounter when we use words processing, spreadsheets, or databases. When we use word processing, we may have encountered the following: use of automatic search and replace feature, the over-reliance on spell checkers, the mail merge feature. Over-reliance on the above features may result in erroneous words and may create unfavorable feedback from the receiver. To help us avoid the over-reliance on these features, we must still manually review our work and double-check any errors that we may have caused in using these word processing features.